Welcome back to Whiskey Garage, and we have another budget bourbon review. So I've been told this is very delicious. 9 years, 120 proof single barrel by Knob Creek. Kentucky single barrel small batch by Fred Noe. Now it's beautiful, has this wax on here. I got this for $50. I mean, actually pretty nice for being only $50. So let's hear that cork pop. It's kind of low. Pooh. Like a, you know what it sounds like. All right. I'm not the biggest fan of Knob Creek, but I've been told that this thing is really good for the price. So 9 years old for $50. That's pretty good. Let's see, single barrel. So, you know, they're all going to vary. 120 proof. That's excellent. $50 for 120 proof. Not bad. Not bad, I'll tell you that. Smells like bourbon. Let's get it on the palate. 120, huh? It does have that little rice spice kind of peanut note on it. Not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, I'm looking more at the value here. For a 9-year, 120 proof single barrel, right there, hands down, you're going to have all the value. It's good stuff. Has that dark caramel. Trying to get that one note out of it. It's very rich. It's has good mouthfeel. Man, you can sip on this for a long time. This is really good. I'd be excited to see what it is like when it opens up. I'm like a lost for words here. Not that it's like the best, but it's just really good. It doesn't drink like 120. It doesn't drink hot. So has a little ethanol kick on the nose. Very slight. Delicious. Are you guys going to go out and buy this? This is value. This is proof. This is age. Good display. I say you should. Go out and buy this. Thanks for watching, guys.